how to fix pixelated Facebook video uploads. Now, if you're not being able to upload Facebook videos in a fairly higher quality and it's always pixelated for some reason, the first thing you want to make sure is that it's not the issue with the internet. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just make sure that it is a strong enough Wi-Fi that can handle uploading as well as downloading quite properly, and it is at least above 100 Mbps. Then when you've done that, also you can open the Facebook application here and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then when you've done that, tap on the settings icon from the top right hand side, then again tap on the gear icon, which will take you to settings and privacy. Now from settings and privacy, here you can see various options over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this media option, and here video quality, you want to set this to optimized. So what happens is it will adjust the videos to your network conditions, and you can also turn off sounds in the apps or whatever else it is in this case as well. And this way you should be able to fix if your videos are quite pixelated. And I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.